Mankind is at a crossroads. Wars for the Earth's natural resources are wreaking havoc. History has taught us nothing. Religions, ideologies, and philosophers have not been able to stop the victory of human greed. On the contrary, many of them justified the looting in the name of so-called beliefs and civilizations. Now it's time to pay for our indifference. As usual, there are many who will pay with their lives. As usual, they are told that they are heroes, but in fact they are the ones who are sacrificed, not their masters. The battle between the world's powerful clans is relentless. Oil, gas, land have become a commodity that is now increasingly scarce. After brainwashing our minds with the idea of progress, we now realize with horror that the so-called progress was a smokescreen to justify the destruction of the planet. How does a democratic society reconcile with the plundering of the Earth's resources, without the citizens being able to intervene and change the course of things? Ignorance, cowardice, misinformation have led to today's disaster when the fight for oil, gas, and food is getting fiercer. The sleep of reason produces monsters. Our sleep opened the door to the destruction of the planet.